Hey guys, so today I am filming a college dorm essentials and like what you should bring to college because I just finished, well I didn't just finish, it's actually the middle of summer after my first year of college and I'm starting my second year in the fall. I'm actually studying abroad in London, so stay tuned for videos on that too. I just wanted to make this video because last summer when I was going into my freshman year, I was like stressing about what to pack. And I do regret bringing some stuff and not bringing certain things, so I wanted to make a video about it and kind of talk about what to bring. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below as always, and please turn on the bell because YouTube just doesn't notify you guys when I upload. So that's really cute, thanks. Let's just get right into the video. So number one for me, I did do this and I think that everyone should have this, is a mattress pad and just a generally comfy bed. So I actually partnered up with OCM and they have this amazing thing which I think is perfect for college students because it's like a one-stop shop thing. On their website they have like all this stuff so you don't have to jump from store to store, and they have amazing bedding and all this stuff. There's this huge box right next to me, so I keep looking down. It's called the College Campus Pack. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of everything they have in here. This is the quilted mattress pad, which is super important. The mattresses they provide you with are so uncomfortable, so I would recommend getting a mattress pad like this. So what's good about them is that everything they have is very high quality. This is microfiber. It says right here, guaranteed till graduation. It's just like combined in a box, all this bedding. So the first thing is a twin XL reversible comforter, and I got everything in white because I love like white bedding, as you can see. This is the twin XL reversible comforter. Included in the campus pack, they actually give you two really soft, fluffy pillows. Next is the bedside storage pocket. There is this laundry bag, which is actually another one of my essentials that I highly recommend getting, is some sort of laundry bag. It depends on where your laundry room is in your dorm, but for me, mine was right across the hall, so I could just drag like my dirty clothes hamper across and I didn't have to like transfer it into a bag. But I actually came home a lot to do laundry here, so that's when I used laundry bags. So highly recommend getting this. Don't forget this either. The campus pack also has these under bed bags, so storage is really important because there's not a lot of space in dorm rooms, so having extra spaces to put your things and making it look nice is really important. So next is the sheets, and these are microfiber twin XL sheets. You actually get two sets of sheets, so there is the white one that I just showed and then this gray one. So there's also a nice white towel, and this is the super soft blanket. Oh my gosh, it's so soft, guys. It's a micro plush blanket. It's so soft. It's like a baby sheep. These kind of blankets are so nice, especially on the colder nights or if you want to go study somewhere else. Along with like the mattress pad thing and having a comfortable bed in general is a memory foam mattress topper. And I had a memory foam topper that was like this thick and then another mattress pad on top of that, so it was very comfy. So if you want to get this college campus pack, it's from ocm.com. So I'm going to leave a link down below if you guys want to check this out. It's seriously so convenient. You literally just get this whole box of everything you need. And also what's cool about OCM is that they partner with nearly 1,000 universities and actually give back a percent of your purchase to those universities. So yeah, I would highly recommend checking them out. It's seriously so convenient, and everything that you got in this box is like exactly what you need. So my second tip is to pack light in general when it comes to clothes and shoes specifically, because if you don't wear things at your house, why would you bring them to college? And I know I'm the person where I'm like, oh, like, yeah, I might wear this at this certain specific occasion. That's never gonna happen. Honestly, just leave your stuff in your closet at home or give stuff away. I brought, I think, like 7 pairs of shoes, and even 7 pairs was too much. So I recommend having like 1 pair of nice shoes if you and your friends want to like go out, and it depends on what college you go to also. Personally, like, I wasn't in a sorority or anything, so I just had my pair of booties, which I barely wore. I don't even know why I had them. Some sandals, like a lot of people at my school wear Birkenstocks, and I wear rainbows, just like for lounging and to get places quick. I brought a slip-on Vans, which was also really nice if you want closed-toed shoes, and then just like other shoes that you really like, you know? Don't bring your entire shoe collection. You're literally not gonna need that, like, trust me. It depends on where you go, but if you can go home and get more clothes, don't bring everything and then you're like, I don't have space for this. So number 3 is a reusable water bottle, and I can't stress this enough. I've seen people who have like those huge packs of plastic water bottles and their rooms are filled with them. And first of all, that's bad for the environment. That's more plastic that ends up in our oceans. Yeah, like it's a waste, and I know it's kind of convenient for you because you don't have to like go up and like refill it, but it's way better to have a reusable water bottle. And this is mine. It's so it's so beat up. I've had it for like 3 years now. I don't even know how half these dents, I don't know if you can see them, but there's so many dents in this poor water bottle. This is a 40-ounce hydro flask, and this is white with a straw cap, which recommend the straw cap if you get this. I really recommend hydro flasks. They keep your water seriously so cold. Like if you leave ice in it, I don't like a lot of ice in my water, but if you put like a lot of ice, it'll stay cold and icy throughout the entire day. And I personally really like this big size because I drink like 3 of these a day, and it keeps me hydrated, and whenever I need water, I'm just like, oh, like I still have water left in this huge thing. So next is towels in general. If you take a shower every day, you can reuse the same towel, but I feel like some people don't do that. And if for me, like I always touch my hair, I would recommend bringing the amount of towels that you use to shower in a week so you don't have to do laundry more than once, and sometimes they get moldy or, you know, just gross, whatever. So next is extra storage in general. Having extra storage bins like underneath your bed, and I had like those little, mine's over there, but it's like that little cart from Target where it's like the 3 layered thing. I know a lot of people have those, but I really recommend that. I thought it just added like something more cute to the room. I put a bunch of my skincare products on the top and just like extra stuff at the bottom. I had like huge plastic bins underneath my bed. Like I could have made it cuter, but I seriously needed storage. Plastic bins or like those huge square ones. So next I would recommend bringing a makeup mirror with a light on it. Mine actually is like a light up tap one. So the reason I recommend a small one, like kind of small-ish, is so you can put it away if you need to work on your desk. Mine was such as the corner of my desk all the time because I'm doing makeup and stuff. And having the light on it is really important for me personally because you might need to do your makeup at night or really early in the morning when the sun's not up, or your roommate might be sleeping and you don't want to like wake her up with like a bright light, you know? And also to go along with that, I recommend having extra lighting in your room, like twinkly lights like I have back there, and a lamp, which I also have back there, because I found that if you and your roommate go to bed at different times and you just have one like ceiling light, it's not nice to have that one on like super bright if you're still awake, you know? So I would have that one on and my roommate was sleeping. Recommend getting a lamp and extra lighting. So next is snacks. And people, I feel like, don't really talk about snacks. I don't know, maybe they do. But having snacks in my room was seriously so important to me. I would not feel like leaving my room a lot of the time if I was studying in there, or just in general like at weird times of the day / night / early morning when I didn't want to go to the caf, is what my dining hall was called, or like any on-campus stores to buy food. I would have lots of snacks in my room. You will gain weight though. Like that's true. Even me, like it's so hard for me to gain weight, but I did that like throughout the year. I think I gained like 5-7 pounds, which is like a lot for me. So that's true. So watch out for it. Make sure you don't eat too much. I ate way too much, even though I'm vegan. I was vegan the whole year, but some snacks that I like are granola bars. I like the Lara bars, but I really like those for the morning. A lot of the times I wouldn't have time to eat breakfast, you know, so you just need something really quick to go so you're not dying of hunger. I also liked crackers and hummus, which I would keep in our mini fridge. So my roommate and I shared a mini fridge, and that was really nice because I could keep like green juice, you know, those like naked juices. I would drink that a lot in the morning too. And I would eat crackers and hummus a lot, which was really good snack too. Nuts, because they don't expire, like almonds and cashews. Those fruit leathers, I don't know what they're called. Fruit wrap, fruit roll up. Not fruit roll up, but like the healthy ones from like Trader Joe's. Carrots, if you can keep it in a fridge. And yeah, just like a bunch of other stuff like that. Oh yeah, I had cereal in my room a lot. I would literally have cereal in my room all the time if I didn't feel like getting ready and going to the caf to get like potatoes or whatever. So next is a printer. I actually didn't have a printer the whole year, and I regretted it, especially for English class when you have to write so many papers all the time, and it's just annoying having to go all the way to the library and print it out and like use your money when you can just buy a printer. And I'm sure it's cheaper, especially if you like throughout the year, if you print a lot. It's nice for your friend or your roommate if they need to borrow your printer. Really recommend getting that. I regret not getting it, so printers. Next is those long power strips, like the ones like this, but also with a long cord, because sometimes, like my room personally had seriously one outlet on one side of the wall and then one on my roommate's side. like that was it. So I had to make do, and I have like a million things I plugged. So get ones with long cords if you can, in case you don't have outlets in like the designated places that you want them. So next is a card holder for the back of your phone. I have a pop socket on right now because I don't really need it. But during the school year, I would use my ID to get into like every single building I have to scan in. So I don't know, you can probably see in like some of my vlogs, but I had like the card holder that you stick on the back of your phone. You can get on Amazon for like $5 to $10. I got it for free at my school too. And it was just really nice, especially if you don't want to bring your ID or your keys everywhere. I had my debit card, I had my ID card, which is like how I got into the dining hall and to everything. So highly recommend that. Next is kind of obvious, and I'm sure everyone brings this, but I just wanted to say anyway, headphones, because you are sharing a room with someone and you can blast your music as loud as you want without disturbing your roommate or like your floor. It depends on like who comes over. If you and your roommate are close and hang out all the time, then like it doesn't really matter, but if you guys aren't as close, then having your separate things is really important. I personally love my AirPods so much. I think that's like the best Apple product I've ever bought, the wireless headphones. And if you guys have an iPhone, I would highly recommend investing in those headphones. They're like the perfect wireless headphones. Like you can walk around with them, they don't fall out of your ear. I don't know how to explain it. They're just the best thing ever, and I would recommend buying them. Oh, and also if you are already accepted to a college and you have your student email, you can get discounts on a bunch of things. Like seriously, so much. With just a college email, you can get Microsoft Office for free, I think. You can get, I don't know about Photoshop, but maybe that too. You can get like a discount at Apple. You can get a discount at a lot of websites. So highly recommend taking advantage of that. So lastly is just something simple, but I feel like some people might forget it or not think it's important, but disinfecting wipes, especially if lots of people come to your room. Like obviously people don't come around to clean, like your mom's not there to clean up for you, so you need to make sure to keep your space clean. If it gets really dusty, you might get allergies. Like if your roommate gets sick, you need those disinfecting wipes to just wipe off all the surfaces, the doorknobs, everything. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you got something out of it. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe again if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.